Our current pit is designed at a gold price that was way lower than we are. So we even think there's a win before transitioning to an underground of deepening the current open pit.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Thor Exploration CEO Segun Lawson. And Segun, you've announced the first drill results from your current drill program at Segilola, and they look encouraging. Take us through the highlights.
Sure. First of all, thanks for having me on. Um, Look, we've been producing gold from Segilola for about 2.5 years, or 2 and 3/4 years. And we've always been saying the point that we've never closed this resource out to depth. We have been working away at delineating some underground targets. Historically, we do have an inferred resource underneath the pit. However, we have, following completing significant grade control drilling over the last 3 years and carrying out structural studies, come up with a new hypothesis of the mineralization, which is now, shallow dipping in our belief, and dipping to the south. So based on this new model, we've designed an initial 12-hole program. We've completed 5 holes. We've had the results out for the first 2. I was hoping we would have the results for all 5, but given the fact that, the pending 3 are taking a bit longer, we decided to go ahead and press release the initial 2. And we're very encouraged by the results of the initial 2. These are below the designed pit by well over 50 meters. The better intersection was 3 meters at 11.24 grams per ton. We also had 1.5 meters over 3 grams per ton. These are the first set of results out and the first indication that mining is achievable beyond the existing mine life. So look, we're very excited about it. We're looking forward to the assay results for the remaining holes. And then if the remainder of the 12 holes confirm this proof of concept, the plan is to significantly ramp up the amount of drilling we're doing underground.
Segun, when would you expect to complete all 12 holes by?
We're looking over the next 5 weeks to complete all 12 holes. I must say we are drilling in a very period of heavy rains. So the rainy season comes to an end, we're getting rain, significant hours every day. So that is slowing our progress. But we do believe this will be completed over the next 5 weeks.
So as you said, this would increase the life of mine at Segilola, and I presume it would expand the existing resource significantly.
That's certainly the hope. Our current pit is designed at a gold price that was way lower than we are. So we even think there's a win before transitioning to an underground of deepening the current open pit and taking some out of the current resource that we find out. So we do think there's potential to extend the mine life in an open pit before transitioning to an underground.
Segun, I'm sure we'll be chatting to you soon as these remaining results come through. Thank you very much for the update today.
Thank you very much.
That's Thor Exploration CEO Segun Lawson.